I like to do this kind of gathering where big men they do. And they tell people say sometimes the difference between big man and poor man not be about the money, na mentality. Money follow, but mentality. As big men sit down here now, fine girl go past, big men go they discuss. Wow, this is an epitome of beauty. The other one go tell the PA, get her number for me. Simple. Poor men go, you know, say poor men know they only them, that they gather like principalities and powers. Once they see fine girls, what you go to hear now? Leave them on. Now so they go find for face, they carry disease up and down. Now one go come answer, who tell you say they get disease? They're there now. And for every poor man gathering, they must know one must they always be Bible. What you go here now? What shall it profit him? I don't know who they teach poor men Bible. And the poor men they always find part of Bible where they favor them. Vanity upon vanity, everything is vanity. And then they know where it is. Habakkuk 32 verses. Poor man can never know where Bible say money answereth all things. Nebuchadnezzar 12 verse 5, I think. My brother, get money. Even if you don't get money, even if you don't get reason to get money, you just get money. Reason go come later. Because now the money when you they give your wife, now they determine the birth name whether they call you for us. For example, maybe they give your wife like 250k or 200k every month for her personal upkeep. What did they go to call you now? What did they say if you spoil, if you die? You go to get my kidney, my liver, my intestine, my esophagus. If they give them like 150, 100, my love, my baby, my daddy, 50,000, my dear, sweetheart, 20,000, about Bina, 10,000, no pet name, your name, not your name. Let you sit down, go find what you go do this morning. Then you know they give your wife at all. If your wife wake up in the body, they don't even know what you to call you. So they go just carry broom, they sweep, come meet you. Satan come out for road. Brother, poverty bad. I don't know where they carry 5 million naira, give 52 years old Okada man. May go find business too. He said, no, I won't collect my destiny. I say, see this idiot. I don't know one of my guys before said they find sugar mommy. He said, sugar mommy, they collect destiny. Destiny, what I guess is, what do you not help me do? I beg for any sugar mommy where they collect destiny. I get brand new one, tear rubber. Oh, punish destiny. I beg they enjoy life, oh. Now who they are alive today go chop what he save. As you they work, they make money, they save. They try, they shop out. Some people get money to drink Henneken. They not go drink. They go they find Sasimbra 150. Then when you die, they go come withdraw your money. They buy Henneken for people who come bury. And they go see the complaint say you no go. To get money good though. That brother when no get money, you know they know when they do village meeting. Now for the meeting, somebody go to shout, make una call am, may not be like say we dey insult. They will come carry phone, call you. Hello, brother. Papa, so make a celebration. Let's give you like, let's make a day. You get a bye bye. But if na big man that they invite you, go yeah, hello, brother. Good evening, sir. How is the family, sir? Hope we are not disturbing you, sir. Papa said we should ask you, please, which day will you have chance? So we can fix date. They never get date. Any day where you get chance, like the village meeting. And you say you don't want to get money, you dey crazy.
And they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Money good though. That's why if you see where big man die, from the obituary poster, you will not say that big man. Now they read that way. And I like big men. Big men sabi die. If big man won't die, you go die for June, July, August. They will come put the burial for November, December when everybody they come back village. Poor man go wait. Make everybody wait travel, come back for Christmas. They go back Lagos. They will come die January 29. Some people not the verse say he die. Your people the verse say which kind of rubbish be this? Not be village who I just come back from. I want to go back. Which kind of rubbish be this? That's why anything what they do concerning poor man burial and annoyance. If you see where big man die, what did they write for the obituary poster now? Glorious exit or call to glory. Then you can read the English. See what you go here. With gratitude to God for a life well spent. We, the family of Omemboji, are glad that they have been saying you die because property where they go share a day. To announce the passing away of our beloved brother, father, and uncle who slept in the Lord. You know, die now. Sleep, you sleep. He is survived by Chioma Omemboji, doctor, USA. Chidinma Omemboji, doctor, Canada. Obina Omemboji, businessman, China. Finish. Go see poor man obituary poster. Now, annoyance they take the writer. Now, I know they read that the way they take writer. Painful exit. With deep sorrow. But with total submission to the will of God Almighty. Because who don't die, they don't do anything about it. We, the family of Akosi and Obogu, regret. They regret say you die, you are a useless person. To announce the death of our brother who died, you not sleep in the Lord, you die. Get money, some men they always tell them if you don't get money, leave women alone. More than not, they use orphanage, they test women. Some men when don't get shame, because they the reason why don't they give my girlfriend money, and they test her, I wonder whether that wife material. You dey crazy, you be husband material. Who measure you? You dey mad. If you don't have money, leave women alone. Women are stronger than men. I'm rounding up. Women are stronger than men and they are smarter than men. That's why if man cheat, they go catch him. But if woman cheat, they no be catch him. Any woman will cheat where they catch now upcoming. Man does a bit cheat. Once man and the wife sit down. For example, let's say the way not to sit down. If your phone ring and a woman they call you and mama say you must speak to avoid quarrel. But to show you say man does a bit cheat. Once Oga pick, where you go here now? Hello? 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 Baby, let me take this call outside. Network is disturbing. But if now woman another man call, they know they stand up, they go sit down there, they go even involve you for the cheating. So you don't go suspend them. As the phone they ring, you go carry and show you. Say, baby, which one is Jude calling me this night? And you don't know who be Jude, you too, Mumu. You go say, I'll pick it now, no problem. She'll come pick up. Now there you go fear women. What do you got to hear now? Hello? Day before yesterday. When the call down the air, they will call tell your wife, I love you. It is I go talk to you too. No. What you go here now? Mado. Now they are the guy go call her. Which one is Mado? Don't you love me too? She go reply, before uncle. You sit down there, they don't talk I love you too. You not gonna know. They will call tell your babe, if you know you love me, kiss me too before. She go down, you not gonna know. What you go to hear now? Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your evening. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, make.
Don't play that song. I'll put you in front. I'll make room for two because all the rooms in Benin are fully booked. Now, because of Benin boys, they born Joseph for where the real sheep. Joseph, find room for Mary. You know, see. Benin boys don't book them. Now, two sex for this state. Any small way they just add day join Christmas Day. Democracy Day, fully booked. They book all the room for a hotel. I go hotel, they book all the room. I sit down for the hotel reception, where I think. They say, I stand up. I say, why? They say, no room for weakness. Book all the rooms. Sex. Do you know that in this Christmas, as we speak, Condom, sell pass knockout. When they do knockout, no make money. No condom to buy, no soap. No Gary go use soap. One of my guys, no joy soap, no joy. Now finish all the joy soap with this life. Why just still use another soap, use lost, they cheat on joy. Guys lost. This life, no grip for anybody. Oh. That about you. How you doing? Well done. Clap for yourself. You have done well. No grip for anybody for this life. No grip. No everybody they help. Oh. As I speak to you now, NTA they advertise DSTV. But today DSTV go point here for channel 419. Regard that. No grip. No, hold on. No grip for anybody. This Christmas, every year hard. Not be yesterday I see go to the chop, go to meet. Every year hard. Nobody see money to buy anything for this Christmas. Nobody see money. Nobody even see money to buy chicken. Even one of my guys will be referee. You know see foul. Bring other. See can see another brother. Now show you that's how the work be. Send me money, send me money. Now once your throat dry. Now no one let casino rest. So you can't perform now. All dry. Just the Lagos casino send me money. Casino say, oh yeah, come. This is by fake chain. Shut up there. Yeah, don't any joke I can just play that. I just want to see casino. Don't turn this thing to bluffing. These are the casino gets sense. Very stupid boy. Say a blast from the past. Money no day. Go gather artists, give them 445 with 233. Tarek, God will bless you. Thank you for supporting entertainment. Thank you for all you do. Please put your hands together for Tarek. They blast from the past. Then I go there, I came on stage, they talk about sex. They say the guys go, they do Not because they never carry Ubi Okoge. Carry Ubi Okoge, I may change to. As they do come and say, sing for me, sing for me. Oh, Dana, you don't carry. Go a sako, man, you go carry girl. Go a sako. Ouchie. Ouchie, get they get the best soundtrack, but it be like better song. As they not get by, go yeah, momo to demobo. E moma ke lukwa mute.
You fuck me too hard.
Shut up there. Shut up there. Anytime with the show, they will wake up out. Today's my birthday. I want you to do 5 minutes. Make I get out. I go reply message. See the time when I take call me. Everybody don't tell. Every photographer, I thought the video photographer. Call me by this time. See me now. Birthday boy. Just day. Everybody talk about men and this. Okay, listen to me. Oh. Men are going through a lot. I true casino they talk. Oh, this way they call marriage. See casino wife sit down for dinner now. Will they perform the tear show? Tomorrow they go ask us for money. With the men are going through a lot. Marriage is not easy. That's why some people know they survive marriage. If marriage easy, our Israel for see promised land. Victoria Inn. I see. No, I tell you your job. Not because they cut the video, Maoga. You get big oga. If your oga small, madam was wrong. You get big oga. Try to say Maoga. Sex! Your permanent responsibility is marriage. Now 2 things. Sex and money. Very simple. Before I got married, and depending before I married, so I know they drink alcohol before. Not when I'm married, I start alcohol. Not marry her. I want meet up. Now my wife will call the fellow get my play. Once your wife does they call get my pet name, you are going sort of Adamu, you go, yeah, Adams. You are going, I want meet up. Me. Now when I'm married, now I test one thing. Coke and Remy. When I met my wife, I left her remnant. When I follow up, you know, again, you can't sleep when you sleep with your wife. You'll be like, say you commit adultery. Left her, marriage. You go must take your stand to take follow up. Man, we are trying. We are trying. That's why these days now, women are surviving. Men are dying. No, you don't lie. They are taking all we have in this Nigeria. We have about 200 million grandmothers, 50 grandfathers. The grandmothers are going to Omugo. They are taking the grandfathers to the morgue. Therese, listen to me. I must talk a joke that will sink into your head. We are dying. That's why you must value yourself as a man. Enjoy your life. Women go just do everything, feast with them, feast everything. They enjoy their life. Me, my brother, anything concern enjoyment this year. This year is my year of divine enjoyment. If you do with me, say eyes. Hold on. Allow me to enjoy my life. My year of divine enjoyment. Deputy, not be all the church that they go for all night. Oh. Crossover night. Now I go mountain on fire. If you hear prayer point, I never heard that kind of prayer point for my life before. Now I'm mountain on fire. Are you talking? Are you drunk? Mountain on fire. Then pastor said, use this last 5 minutes. That was to 12. Now I said, use this last 5 minutes to pray for your life so that your life will be better in 2024. One guy just put his phone for chair, just hold the chair. Spotty bed, let me go. 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 Too short on, let me go. Too short on, let me go. Now one cut out, let me go. Now one cut out, let me go. Man, you leave me. 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 Man, you. Una the cloud on now. As the guy they pray, people come they face the guy. Assistant pastor they look the guy. You know say get when you pray reach, eh? Assistant pastor one call kill the demon. Assistant pastor call they near the guy. Man, you leave me. Spotty bed, let me go. Too short. Assistant pastor they near the guy. Assistant pastor they near the guy. Small that this assistant pastor one put for his forehead. Now he just rest in hand for his shoulder. He says, Father, I connect my spirit with the spirit of my senior colleague. Spotty bed, let us go. They come here, do Papa. My brother, that's how you build. Anything you do, you know, say that same church. Pastor talk say, everybody in this church, since it is crossover, come with anything that leads you to your source of income. Now, Pastor say, now that we have prayed, raise everything that leads you to your source of income. Now, everybody, Yahoo boys raise laptop, politicians carry ballot boss where they take the wrong. Everybody carry their things, where they carry how your court is all gone. Everybody hold their source of income. One runs guess what they did, they point for Bekus. Now, Pastor shout, now that you have touched your source of income, if I be a man of God, before 2024, God will expand your source of income. Runs get no shout amen.
Jennifer.
Hold on. No shout amen. Not this year. This year, no grief for anybody. No grill. Now this year, see 1K ram. The ram they point foul. No grief for anybody. The year died. No money anywhere. And you know say why would they die? Eh? Some men, we do they give ourselves up for women. You carry woman go come. Yeah, go say, baby. All I want from you now is head. Give me head. Mumu man. And you know say now they wear condom for tongue. You give the woman head, give her head. When it don't reach time for you, the woman 12 hours to sleep now, the woman will say, "May you come wear condom." What do you want to avoid? If first when you don't drink 48,000 liters. Hold on. Now you don't run for. And what did they make us quick die? Women are very wise. Women, they go not say, "Man, I want to sleep with them." Oh, they will rub makeup, rub everything. Their neck go full with makeup. They will come visit you. You when you be man, when you know say they don't rub everywhere. Wait, tell us say I'll go and bathe before we sleep. Because of the way you take stay hungry, you use your tongue, they leak everywhere. And you know say that way made the rub for eye. Now that black way they center of battery. Tony Kabaka, God bless you. You came to my show. You shut down the show. Wanna clap for him? You shut down. Clap for yourself, Tony Kabaka. I've done well. The only problem I get with you, they say everything what you do now weapon. The money where you spray me still enjoy me. You weaponize everything. Let me get back. That thing where they set out, that thing where they in the middle. Now we may drop for eye. Man go, woman go, coco. You don't use your tongue. Lick everywhere. Lick all the makeup. Lick. That's why some men when they believe they fat, they say Nigeria, now foundation things I say. You are dying slowly. You are killing yourself. Me as a sharp guy, if woman come visit me, as the woman they come and see rub makeup, yeah for the buy condom, now there for the buy face wipe. So as she come, I go first wipe before I wipe. Bring her down, Jesse Root. Now they cause all this problem for Benin. Everything a root. Benin boys know they use it to see dirty water with there's life firewood put. As you hold her like this, they walk. Just tell Benin boys say bottle water and stone, they walk. You'll find bottle water for this Benin, no see again. Stone no go there this Benin again. Now just value sex, take sex to another level. Now some one of my idiot guy, once I hold any dirty thing like this, don't collect her from her idiot. One day now go first erosion. Slice firewood put. The idiot hold on, carry the thing. After I don't drink and they tell me say, but this thing they walk. 3 days I never stick on. The mumu no say na sand block us. This hold on. This life make money. You know, say one of my friend. Listen to Brother Michael. One of my friend, he want to go do marriage for Ogeli. Now Uber driver. Oh, Infinity, God bless you. Uber driver. His father, now the president of Uber drivers. So 2 of them they go traditional marriage. As they go, all the Uber drivers follow them. So as they go, now about 40 cars, 25 Corolla, 15 2.2. The guy reached Ologo. He turned back. He not say any motor again. He ex-girlfriend don't book all the Uber driver. Say may they go Ologo, may they go may they just turn around for 4 hours. Till the guy where they finish. No, that is why you need to make, because money stop embarrassment. If you get money, you give girl belle. If you get money, you give girl belle. Now the guy go call you say, hello, wisdom. I'm pregnant for you. Now you go to say, it's not my baby. Say, wisdom, it's your baby. You can say, it's not my baby, wisdom, it's your baby. But when you broke, when you give girl belle. As you give the girl belle, you go, hello? Osa, you have ruined my life. You have useless my life. Yes, now. Money stop nonsense. That is why in this life, life now brain. You know that they talk about deputy governor just now. I don't get problem. The only thing I have here to say is that as far as Nigerian constitution is concerned, you have the right to vote and be voted for. That's the only thing I have to say. Please put your hands together for my deputy governor. You have been supporting entertainment. God bless you. Tares, Victoria Inn from day one. People have been supporting entertainment. So anybody will show, even Eliza drink, anybody will show us love, we must do well to reciprocate, which is very, very important. See, Suleiman, the news guy. You don't carry news tire for Nigeria. You don't even tire. You do have a comedy show now, they wash us to create more news. News too full this country. Newscaster don't tire amount they pay them. News day everywhere. Nigeria, anything you want to do, Mago must day. Even to normal beauty queen, Mago day. You need to suck the cap to wear the crown. It's a DJ Reza. DJ, you can't raise down. Which kind of DJ be this? Reza down. Which kind of DJ be this? Now this kind of DJ I can't go off nation where go play. Go they play where your mama dey, where your papa dey. Children they crack. Where our mama? Where our papa? Now so I carry one idiot DJ go burial. May go play for burial. He reach the time of the woman where their children to dance. DJ they play as they paying them. He go they sweet us as they sweet us. I carry DJ go wedding. Doesn't make the bride dance with her friends. DJ they play. All of us will be our shower. Please put your hands together for the DJ. Not clap for him. No, the guy trying to beg. Oh, yeah, clap for him. But I don't work for this. Nobody plan what they do. This guy left Unibear with 2 hands. Today they do DJ with 2 hands. Clap. So now clap for him. I don't wait till the guy plan with this. You don't understand? So now go appreciate the guy. Meanwhile, okay, time to come out. Nice one. Oh, yeah, stand up. idiot. Just come, you hear danger. I know now just they wear eyeglass. Tomorrow night they're shooting. I know that court don't convert beret to eyeglass. I saw the king one for that Christmas say we are red, the filmment of the air curtains. Let me do this and I go. They say DJ Dabila and a voltage of 5 they call. Now hype men they put us for the problem all day. But Benin boys are too smart. Benin boys these days they don't fall for any hype man for this Christmas. This Christmas Benin boys hold their side. Now before they will hear Dorime, they will cut ground go buy drink. Benin boys they know yo. If this Christmas you play Dorime, the Benin boys will say Eire. Oh no, they don't go anywhere. Benin boy, Sagrag. You know, say any trick, original trick owner say. Mission Road must do their own. You get one trick where they call Casamigo. Casamigo. You know now, original trick. For Mission Road, we no go. Mission Road now. So all these hype men don't fall every year. So Benin boys now, as they call club, they'll put a microphone for back pocket. They prepare for any hype man where one fuck them. As hype man, they hype them, then they hype the hype man. Yes, now because nobody go spend money. Now those days, now juju they work. Everybody travel go village for this Christmas. Juju know they work again. Now those days when they give juju shinap, that was juju we are harsh. The drink is harsh. Now those days juju they work. Even you those days if you drink shinap to keep person know they hungry. One of my neighbor buy motor. Now he go this Christmas in the rich village he buy motor. Go show your uncle motor. Your uncle sit down with his son. Now say see motor way buy best. Now give your uncle Nessie. As they go, the uncle and his son plan. Make they kill the boy. Uncle, you know see Shinap, we give Juju NSC. Juju take NSC. Juju was drunk. It's the way Juju go kill the boy. He kill the man picking. In the morning, anybody Juju kill for the family that they know him. In the morning, the uncle vet go Shirai. Go they complain for Juju. Before I reach Shirai, Juju don't get and go by. Don't vomit every year. Now the uncle they shout, oh Gugu. Oh Gugu. Instead of you to kill that boy, you killed my son. What have I done wrong? I Juju laugh. You wicked servant. You give me alcohol, you don't give me a shower.
Not be juju be that.
I think I'm going to do this over and come on. No time at all. Anytime the show day, we must wake up mouth. You don't get her. ITV, independent television. The best way they read on our news. Yeah, for the download too. Why they know they change her? Madam Asubeme, who was lying state in dead on Monday in front of his house, was ascertained to be dead. One eyewitness that was there, who now complained that Asubeme is dead, well now laid. Why not they go like this? There. For once you don't try. No, not gonna let boys beat you. Boys they verse now. Other state they do firework, beneath a fire for fire. Now do this last one, I come out. Benin boys don't ready now. Back to back. Everybody in a hype man for Benin. You hype me. You cannot make me do any rubbish. You get that hype beat. Plan. Go say look, go everywhere. As they have. Benin boys now they talk normal talk. Now hype they talk now hype. No, normal hype beat now. I go beat you. Happy beat. Normal this thing now. Yo, normal Benin boy now. Now hype they talk. As they want to tell you good money, go yeah. Good money. Who that they greet go reply? How you day? Who they walk out past go call enter? We day. All do my buy something. You want to say give me change now? Yeah. Yeah, give me the change now. Oh, yeah, give me the change now. Conductor the load Uwelu Wasota. Nobody the answer. I hype. Uwe Luma. Good night, Benin State.
Leave that guy. He be like say, he said I was born with a silver spoon, and then I lost this spoon. He be like say don't still lost this other spoon. But not you will hear from the guy. So now so silver spoon you go the loss. Benin, this life now brain no. You get small nyash with the wear G-string. What you want divide? Bring out that money. Open here. How are you? Thank you, sir. Domo. I know they talk joke wey be you get one day. No, I know they talk you get one day now. So put your ear na intelligent joke. Because you get small prick, you go the act blue film. Which person data you want waste? Listen to me, oh. Listen to me. As you pick money for Yahoo, no go dey buy big chain, oh. Because when Yahoo boy don broke, now you go know say Benin bead na original. Bring her down, listen to me, oh. They say Dorima is not for civil servants. Now you go make Yahoo boy go build house, professor go rent am. Life na brave. My brother, you know say na this period now. I think say na Yaris plenty pass for Benin. When boys come for Ghana, see GK, I think the GK na 10 naira. GK on wash night, GK they hit GLA. See GK cases for police station. Everywhere, everybody they wear big polo. Now say maybe like this thing now they say they know who. Now we have fake one. Maybe now we take the listen to our destiny. Big polo, they don't know pick, they don't know no pick. Listen to me. As you pick money for Yahoo, go lay foundation. Because Corolla wey get house, better pass JK wey landlord dey shout for. You think say this country balance? I know they do it get one there. This country no balance, oh my brother. If this country balance, beauty queen for no dey suck the cow to wear the crown. Listen to me, Taras. Benin don spoil. Country no balance again. Now this Benin you go show because of thief. As you dey drive go house, you go pay motor. Make the motor dey pursue you, so that who wan pursue you go think say they don already dey pursue you. Listen to me, oh. One of my guys see me yesterday. I wear native material. He and his wife don separate. The ashobi wey I buy, I wear am. The guy dey quarrel with me. Say why I still dey wear the material when my wife don separate. But I say no be me no go wear material. Now you no marry better wife material. Now my material last pass your own wife material. This life, you need to dey sabi the dog girl. Oh, see, all I say my girlfriend is cheating on me. You no sabi fuck. You get when you take knock your girl, you no fit shit on you like. That's always suppose go dey tell say this girl no dey gree for any man. This girl no dey gree for any man. Na lie. Na just one block us. Na dey block us. Bring it down. Hold on now. Last meet CEO. Last meet CEO. Now one use kata kilos for people. Now they took this money for inside doors. CEO last minute. You know for the seed dust. Valid interiors. Oh, now no go let me crack joke today now. Ew. Let's say your brother just share 10K. 5,000. Bring her down. Hold on. You think it's easy? Casino for the talk about Iwe no sir. Say my daughter Iwe no sir. If they're the back Iwe no sir, I go just the reason the men wey one sleep with. Casino listen to me, not be men one sleep with Iwe no sir. Now one man, his name is called JD OJ Badamasi, and that's my son. You know when I brought my pikin, I look his face. I said this guy no resemble me for face. I look his hand, he no resemble me for hand. I look his lap, he no resemble me for lap. I look his leg when they baff out. As I check here, now I said this is my beloved son. When me check here, you know those times when they go like this, they'll go bend. Me not even feel wait to make my pikin grow before I start to sleep with the windows. I don't go buy small children condom. Listen to me. If I reach 10 minutes, I tell me I don't like to waste. I don't do my show part. Bini, God bless you for my show. God bless you for Casino show. God bless you for the huge chomo. God go bless you now. Then they talk about say snake they dey for toilet. Snake they dey for toilet. Ah! We snake they dey for toilet. Now toilet. Now person will get small blockers. Like snake they threaten. If your blockers big, you want peace. When snake go see snake.
snake don't see snake wey get vein. Not be everything they rain for Benin. Anything they rain for this Benin, una go dey use am take dey trend. Anything wey they rain, the one wey they rain now, he choke oh, he choke, he choke oh. No be one boy take die for beer parlor yesterday. He dey do birthday. He guys they dance for the birthday. He dey chop catfish. As he dey chop the catfish, bow hold am for bow, cut choke am for neck. The boy they shout, I'm choking. His friends they shout, he choke oh. The boy they shout, I can't breathe. His friends they say, who they breathe? Now the boy take that now. Everything upper. This one they tell say upper. Now one hype man go dey hype. Who they? As he hype finish, now man go meet and say how far. They say they ask of us. Say now we dey. Now Benin you want a joke. Benin wey person go open orphanage home. Now children go full inside. Listen to me. I know the talk again one day. Listen to me. The way young boys, see, the way young boys take get money for this Benin. Ah, Luciano, you don't come. God bless you. Thanks for the support. TV here. See me later. Mozi 214. Judwewe. No say this show. You need to hate people. Now so Benin bio. Who are no call their name and say, Edopikin, I see you now. When you the papa, you don't call me for your joke. Benin too strong. I believe the person go pay for table. He go say how far? Ashawo go there for table. The way young boys they get money for this Benin. If you see money where boys spent this year, young boys don't get money for this Benin. So they untimely death burial. They talk past the burial of the exit of an icon. Abatobaze, God bless you. I see you. Life now break brain. You get small breasts. You go wash your brazier. You go drown from outside. You don't know say they go mistaken for face mask. Hold on. Who gets small breasts? No, they drink up liquors. Make the mercy no go mistake your breast for boy. Your breast will call they dry. If skin no full body. Oh, Wesley, king of boys. If skin no full body. Now one fat guy, they go carry girl go as he says skin full. He full body small. Now the guy called the shank, come on body, Joe. Come on body. As a older, as a man where they wear big chain, where never achieve anything, is living in chains. Who calls are sure? Who calls are sure? If as I die, you still pick our cause. You pick our cause. I beg, man, just do this one, man, come out. Back to back. What that get? Hold on. This life, Nigeria too like emphasis. Home of laughter, they talk about the way guests they shout. The way Benin girls, they talk, how she get, they say, they bless my bless, they bless my bless. My bless now lover. iPhone don't come out now. All the guys now don't go to buy iPhone, give girl. You gather your money where you for son, give your mama. Take go buy iPhone 12, give girl. No forget say girl where you buy iPhone 12, give. When you broke, now another man go upgrade down to iPhone 13 Pro Max, which means you get a lower version. iPhone they come. All of now they use Nakbekus, they work. All of now they use. More now give Nakbekus time. Nakbekus will get rest of mind. Now they swell up for tighties. Now we see people they call Udukpa. It shock you. Give her time. When I do this one, I don't do the waste time. Nigeria too like emphasis. Everything emphasis. This show now don't do the delay. Even photographer, the video photographer. They don't know. So when they cut her now, because this Benin now everywhere, we know they know who they shoot banger. We know they know they shoot knockout. They just they miss the two. They say knockout don't too cost. Say na bullet cheap pass.
Don't be knockout where they shoot firework, where they do for Okoromi. May they just shoot firework, go up. The next community, Curtis Okoromi, don't start community fight. Now they reply there with free fire. As we they talk now, fire for fire. Now Oibo one. Let me do a professional one. Leave. Oibo, Luciano, you fly beret. You get sense? I don't hear. I thought the one is 10. I have 15 minutes. One is 10. But then I use my 5 minutes to do the rest job. You fly beret. See the kind of beret where you go select. Why is Luciano? No court. They use this one. They miss all the court. May all the court go fight. They say now we get Luciano. They want to say now we get Luciano. This venue where they beat for that Christmas. They say why I go here cap the pen and go right. Say they form end of the year courses.